I'm scared. You know what, guys? Hold on. Let me go to my mirror and do this. So, guys, this is what I'm looking like, and they didn't just get my shade. That's no shade. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by WJ Winnie Jake. You can call me Winnie Jake. If this is your first time here, welcome. But anyway, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing something different. So I've been seeing this makeup brand online. Called MAKIAGE. I think that's the way they pronounce it. Whatever. I've been seeing it online, and they have been saying, oh, you pick a shade. No, you do a quiz, then online on their website, and like through that quiz they'll get your perfect match. And so like finding my right shade for foundation has been a struggle, like for a while, because like I don't know, I'm working on my face. Don't mind the acne, guys, but like you can see my face is darker than my actual body, so like that's been an issue for me to get my right foundation color or shade. So like I was just like, why not, let me just try this brand and see if it works for me, or if it actually gets my shade. That would be so cool. But you know, let me try it out with you guys. I just got the package. But before we try this out, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, share if you can, and also leave a comment on if you are, I'm sure, I don't want to say if you have seen this makeup brand, I'm sure you have seen it on IG. Girls, I'm sure you have. MAKIAGE, like, I'm sure. But yeah, leave a comment down below if you want to try it out, take the quiz, and like see if you are going to get your perfect shade. It's meant to be $40, but you know, Canadian dollars exchange rates, I'm in Canada, so like yeah, that's more but quite expensive. But yeah, if it's, and also it's 14 days, you have 14 days to try it out and see if you like it or not. So if you don't, you can like return it back for free. So why not? Let me just yeah, so this is the package, and I'm just going to open that. I like this bubble thing. I honestly, whatever it's called, I like popping it. But this one's strong. Okay, this is the box. Is it? Can you see it well, guys? I don't know if I'm showing you well, but MAKIAGE, New York. Yes, baby, I like this packaging. Cute, pink, cute. So, how it works. Try the products. These products are yours to try for 14 days, starting on the day they were delivered. So yeah, I just got them today. Love it or return it. As I said, like, you can return it, guys. If you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, visit ilmakiage.com/returns to download your return label and send back any returns within 14 days of delivery. Yeah, 15. At the end of the trial, you will only be charged for the product you keep. Okay, MAKIAGE. So this way came with like how to apply 1 2 3 4, whatever this is. Then okay, I'm just being silly, guys. So my package looked different from like the reviews I watched online. So okay, woke up like this, flawless base foundation. Okay, I got like medium to full coverage, so like a buildable coverage. Yeah, you deserve it, B. Yes, I do. I love brands like this that like play with their words, you know, that play with their sentences. I don't know, just play with their words. Be free, be you. Like, you deserve it, B. I love that. So this is the packaging. Don't know if you can see it. Come on. Yeah, that took a minute. Well, so this is the bottle. I like it. I like how it feels. I like the feel of it. Like, it's not glass, it's like icy. No, it sure feels good, guys. It feels really good. And the foundation shade that I got is 140. I'm scared. It's light. It's like really light. I see my okay, it could be close. But yeah, as I said, my face is darker. Like, so especially this summer heat. Like, obviously I'll get darker this period, but they recommended the shade for me, so I know it's a light shade because I specifically looked for videos with 140 shades. And like, it's light. I'm just like, oh, let's see let's see how that goes. Okay, let me apply this. Okay. I'm scared. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Oh my god, guys, I am scared, like literally scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. You know what, guys, hold on, let me go to my mirror and do this. So guys, this is what I'm looking like, and it's not my perfect match. Like, I'm just so sad. Like, it's really not my perfect match because like, it's not like, it seems like it's like maybe a shade or two lighter than my actual match. Even my fair hands don't, like, this is too light that it makes it look ashy, but honestly this feels good on my face. Like, it's so light, it doesn't feel like anything is on my face. Whoa, this is bad. Like, I look like Casper the Ghost. Oh, this is bad, guys. Like, I don't even know what to do. Like, I can probably use this for a concealer. Like, I feel so bad because I want a perfect shade. Like, I really like it. It seems like I might have to return this. Woke up like this. I definitely did not wake up like this. Oh my goodness, my face. But yeah, guys, so I would have done a proper makeup with this. Well, I don't want to go further. This is already too light for my complexion. Yeah, no, it's too light. It's too light. Guys, thanks for watching this MAKIAGE foundation review. It's sad because I saw people online getting their perfect shade. Why not me, Lord? Why not me? Anyways, okay guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. But before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, share if you care, and also leave your comments whether or not you got this foundation before, if you still want to try out the quiz and see, because you can still return it. Like, you have 14 days, or I have 14 days to return this. So yeah, and it worked out for other people. I just maybe I didn't answer the quiz correctly or something, like, you know. But yeah, like, guys, I would say that the foundation is good. Like this foundation is good, feels good on my face. Like, but they didn't just get my shade. That's no shade. That's no shade. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys another time. Until we see next time, guys. Bye. So guys, I don't know. It started to seem like it might be lighting too, because like this, it doesn't look bad. I swear, because I've not taken the foundation off. Like, look at how it looks. Apart from like with my neck. Okay, let me stand. And like you see, like this is so weird. I don't even know what to say to you guys, but I'm so confused. Like I don't know if it's good or not, because like it depends on the lighting, right? This looks like my shade. As I said, my face is darker than the rest, like my body. So yeah, like this, oh my god, I don't even know, guys. I'm so confused. Help me out here. Okay, let me check my bathroom shade. Okay, like, are you seeing what I'm saying? Like, I didn't do proper makeup, so like I can't say for sure, but damn, guys, like I'm so confused. Help me out. It's definitely lighter, but it just looks a bit like it should be my shade. Like I'm so confused. See, I burnt my head. But yeah, what do you think, guys? I'm so confused. I'm thinking, should I keep it? Should I like mix it with my actual foundation now or something, like, to see? I'm conflicted. But anyways, guys, I like the highlights it's giving me. So yeah, I think it depends on what you want to do. If you still want to take the quiz, please do so. Like, take it. I'm just so confused on what to do, and like, see, it's so confusing. I don't know, but